Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab and you're watching Star News Live. Here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. The Kapi'olani Medical Center for Women and Children says today it has reached a tentative contract agreement with nurses. The hospital, nurses union, and a federal negotiator met last night. They negotiated a 3-year contract that covers the hospital's approximately 725 nurses. The new deal includes healthcare premium cost coverages, benefits for single, double, and family coverage. The hospital says the new agreement also addresses the union's concern about personal protective equipment and safety. Last week, the hospital's nurses voted overwhelmingly to authorize a strike. Next, the nurses will vote on whether to ratify the contract next week. Hawaii health officials today reported 179 new coronavirus cases. 6 new coronavirus-related deaths were reported today. 1 died on Maui and 5 on Oahu. So far, 318 people have died statewide. The state's total number of cases since the start of the pandemic now stands at 23,908. Oahu saw 122 new infections, 32 on Maui, 13 on the Big Island, 1 on Kauai, and 11 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. Hawaii officials say over 2,281 COVID cases are considered to be active. Hawaii saw 16 hospitalizations today. As of Wednesday, a total of 116 COVID patients were in Hawaii hospitals, 26 of them in the ICU and 22 on ventilators. The National Weather Service is warning of dangerously large breaking waves for some north shores in Hawaii. A high surf warning is currently in effect for the north and west shores of Ni'ihau to Molokai and the north shores of Maui. The warning is in effect until 6 a.m. Friday. Weather officials predict waves of 25 to 35 feet along the north shores as a swell rolls through Hawaii today through tonight. Surf for the west shores is expected to reach 20 to 25 feet. Officials are warning of hazardous ocean conditions. They say anyone entering the water may face significant injury or death. State officials need your help in identifying those responsible for illegal bonfires in Kaneohe. Social media video shows a large group of individuals setting Christmas trees on fire at the Kaneohe sandbar over the weekend. The sandbar is a wildlife sanctuary. Starting or maintaining a fire there is illegal. Hawaii Department of Land and Natural Resources says ground and open fires are not permitted on any Hawaii beaches. DLNR says the people in the video shows them gathering shoulder to shoulder without masks. Officials say they violated COVID-19 mandates, restricting Oahu gatherings to less than 5 people. State officials are asking anyone with information about the bonfires to call 643-3567. Hawaii's first mass COVID-19 vaccination will kick off on Monday. Honolulu's Pier 2 cruise ship terminal will be used as a vaccination site. About 1,000 people are scheduled to be first in line. Hawaii Pacific Health is operating the clinic. They will start vaccinating by appointment only. First in line are seniors over the age of 75, first responders, and frontline essential workers. The following week, the Queens Medical Center will open a second mass vaccination clinic at the Neil Blaisdell Center. Honolulu Mayor Rick Blangiardi says he supports widespread vaccination efforts. The mayor has agreed to make city locations available. As of Wednesday, health officials say a total of 40,386 individuals have been vaccinated since January 9th. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at staradvertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.